Flores Agreement could leave immigrant children unprotected. The Department of Justice has requested to partially terminate the Flores Settlement Agreement, which protects immigrant children, citing new regulations by the Department of Health and Human Services as sufficient. The government believes the new HHS rule, effective April 30th, provides ample protection for immigrant children in HHS care, rendering parts of the Flores Agreement unnecessary. However, critics argue that ending the Flores Agreement could expose children to risks, as the new rule lacks certain oversights provided under the Flores Council for decades. The push to terminate only applies to sections of the agreement concerning children in HHS custody, responding to new state laws that hinder licensing facilities housing immigrant children. The Flores Settlement, established in 1997, emerged from litigation against inhumane detention conditions and is crucial in setting standards for the treatment of immigrant children in federal custody. According to the new HHS regulations, while certain protections are assured, like access to abortion, they fall short in areas such as allowing detention in unlicensed facilities under specific conditions. This provision has been contentious as state licensing is a fundamental aspect of the Flores Agreement, and bypassing this can leave children vulnerable to mistreatment. The regulations also establish the Unaccompanied Children Office of the Ombuds to address concerns about ORR policies, but critics worry about its effectiveness and lack of congressional reporting. Ending Flores oversight for HHS means losing crucial transparency about the conditions and treatment in ORR shelters, particularly concerning given the states like Texas and Florida. Previous attempts to end the Flores Agreement include a 2019 effort by the Trump administration, which was blocked by the courts for contravening the agreement's spirit. With the new regulations set to activate on July 1st, the court, led by Judge G, will determine if these measures meet the obligations of the Flores Settlement adequately. As these regulations introduce significant changes, the judicial outcome will be pivotal in deciding if they can effectively replace a long-standing agreement protecting children's rights. To expand this information, visit inmigracionyvisas.com, follow us on our social networks, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.